Here are a few little improvements I've done to the arm since last time, mainly for robustness. I've replaced the DC motor direct drive here with a Dynamixel and belt drive on the base. This allows for much smoother motion. I had to slow down the speed of the Dynamixel just to keep it moving at reasonable speeds. And the other big change was I've made this part of the arm out of a solid rectangular tubing rather than two separate pieces. The overall effect is that the motion now is way smoother in the rotation direction. I replaced the gripper with my previous gripper based on a Dynamixel. Unfortunately, it doesn't really have the strength to grip a 2 kilogram weight at an arbitrary angle, so I've just suspended it here for this test.